Hey everybody, Rob with Scoutdrop back with yet another video. So by now we've done a deep dive of Scout mode where we've talked about a couple ways we can do that. We've talked about how to optimize routes from mobile. You've seen a little bit of an overview of optimizing routes from the web, but let's do a little bit of a deeper dive. And the use case we're using today is, let's say, sales professional. I'm getting out into my field next Tuesday. I'm heading to Nashville. And while I'm doing some appointments, I want to hit some accounts while I'm there, right? So right now we are on the dashboard and we're going to take a tour of that on a future date. But let's pop over here to my maps. Now, I've already got my Q4 leads, warm leads pulled up, right? And what we're going to do is we're going to come over here to Nashville and you can see some of these accounts right here. Now, we could select some of these and add these to a route, but there's no real easy way to tell where on the map these guys are. So I'm going to bump in just a little bit and it couldn't be easier. We're going to grab our lasso tool and then we're going to just draw a little shape around the ones that we want to go visit while we're in Nashville. So we're going to go underneath this guy because it looks like that one's out of business. We're going to go all the way down, grab this guy because he's interested. Got one where we spoke to the gatekeeper, and then boom. Couldn't be easier. From there, what we're going to do is down here at the bottom, we're going to add these guys to a route. Now, we can add these to an existing route if we've already got one for Nashville and these guys aren't part of it. If they are duplicates, they'll get ignored. Or we can create a new route. So we're going to call this Nashville October, I think the 3rd, maybe, hopefully that's what Tuesday is. So, and then we're going to create our route. It's going to cook for a second. And then once that's done, we're going to pop over here to our route. So we're going to choose that route. And now we're going to do a couple things. Just like you saw on the mobile, we're pre-planning this ahead. So instead of starting at our current location, because we don't know what our current location is right now, we're going to start from home and we're going to end at home. And from here, all we have to do is hit optimize, and it's going to start us off at our home here in West Tennessee and then take us all the way through Nashville and back home in the most logical order. And that's it. Couldn't be easier. From here, it's saved. We're going to load that on the mobile when we get up Tuesday morning and head to Nashville, and we're going to do those foot canvassing sessions. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope that was as easy as I know it is for all of you guys. I hope you're loving these videos. We're so excited to be bringing you Scoutdrop on October 16th. If you have any questions, are interested in it, or want to connect, please reach out to me in the DMs. Thank you guys for checking out these videos and have a great day.